In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Sound Recorder app. When you're ready, hit agree at the bottom right corner. And then click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recorder is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. To play your recording, click on it. Then hit deny or allow in one of those pop-ups about nearby devices. You can get them more than once. As you can see, recording was successfully created. If you want to, you can rename it by holding it, click in rename at the bottom and type it in wherever you want to. To save its name, hit OK. To delete it though, hold it again, but this time choose delete section at the bottom in the middle and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!